Hey, I'm Kenneth Wajda. I'm a professional photographer here in Colorado. Welcome to another one of my photo chats. Today we'll talk about this crazy camera. It's a 90 millimeter lens on a, what's that called? It's a printed, what do they call those? 3D printed, 3D printer. 3D printed 4x5 camera with a little bit of a peephole for a viewfinder, and it's got a ground glass. You could check focus with it, but it's really meant to be a point and shoot 4x5 camera. And it does have a focusing mechanism. You can kind of see the lens extending and going in for infinity. My friend Tim lent this to me, and he put marks on it, and the marks represent some kind of foot marks, but I don't know what they are exactly, and I would probably have to either shoot it mostly at infinity or find out where 8 feet is and try to guess where 8 feet is for what I'm focusing on. But it's a 90 millimeter lens, so it's a wide angle lens, and it probably makes it so that pretty much everything will be in focus if you shoot at f11 or f16 and you're close to focus with it. And it weighs hardly anything. I don't know if there's even a place for a strap. The shutter is on the lens, like all 4x5 cameras have. The camera was made for a 90 millimeter lens. If you had printed a different camera for a different lens, it would have a deeper throw here. But this seems like a perfectly fun way to shoot 4x5. And I know Tim's been waiting for me to bring some photos and show him what I've done with it. And I haven't done anything with it. You know why? Because what I want to talk about today is why I can get focused. And there are some times when I can do multiple things at once, but then there are other times when I can't. Like right now, I am obviously wrapped up with the Rolleiflex project. I don't want to take the 4x5 out and photograph somebody because it doesn't fit in my project. I don't even really shoot street candids very much when I'm out and about because I'm focused on the Rolleiflex portraits. And there comes a time when I would go out and just shoot street and don't take a film camera, take the digital Nikon, take a 28 and just shoot street. And I'd take a walk and make some street photos. And I've taught plenty of people about that approach. I just haven't been using it. Just like I haven't been using this. Because I've got this focus that if I'm going out, there's only a limit of how many things I can make. I may as well go out and make 12 portraits. And I get so much reward from meeting those people and getting to make a portrait that is something extra special that makes them feel so good. Makes them feel like they've been chosen and they're special like that. And so, are you able to multitask? And I certainly have in the past. In fact, I've written screenplays and I've had 2 or 3 screenplays being written at one time because if one would I get stuck on a scene or a plot point, I would just move to another one until that one would come back to me and I'd have more fresh ideas. But I can multitask. But right now I'm finding that because of the strength of this Rolleiflex project, I'm not getting to do many other things and I'm not getting to photograph with this. Again, if I'm going out, I want to take the Rolleiflex. I want to go meet the next person who's going to be a part of that gallery show, the part of that book. And if I go out with something else, I might miss them. I think it's a fascinating thing how creativity works. And that's where I'm at. So I guess you won't see me out with this real soon. And I may have to return it to Tim without having used it, but I want to make something with it. It's just that there's a project right now that's I'm in the middle of, and I really just want to create and make more for that because everything I make, I have a place for it. I have a gallery for it. I have a place to display them, and I have a goal of making a book from those. So it's an interesting quandary. Hey, that's Today's Photography Doc. Hey, if you're enjoying these, hit the subscribe button. If you can support, hit the Patreon. Thanks to all my supporters. I appreciate you. I'll be back next week. We'll talk more photography. As always, here's the good light.